Alright, welcome back to our Subaru. This is the air filter on a 2024 Subaru Outback. I was going to give you the part number. I will put it down below. I bought the parts off Amazon, so when I tried to get the part number, yeah, the Amazon UPC barcode was on top of the Subaru one, so I couldn't get you the part number. But anyway, easy enough. We're just going to pop these two clips. Hopefully you just saw that. This pushes out of the way. The old filter just comes straight up. I would expect it to be okay after 15,000 miles. Probably just going to have some bugs and stuff in it. But, I mean, yeah, I usually change these out at 30,000 miles. Here's the new one. Drop it in. I'd like to say that there's only one way that it can go in, but you see it's kicking my butt. There's some holes at the bottom. Not sure if you can see those. But this, your air duct has to fit into those holes. Just like so. And then just take it, push, push, and you're in. That's all there is to it, to your air filter. So far today, what we've done on this car is the air filter that you just watched. We did an oil change. We replaced the STP oil filter, and we put in Mobil 1 5W30 so we can get longevity out of the engine instead of fuel economy, because I don't think you're going to see the difference in that. And as you can see, if you watch the oil filter, the oil change video, I did top off the coolant to get it back up to the high mark. So make sure you check your coolant. This one was low after 15,000 miles. So at this point, we're done under the hood. The next video that I show you is going to be the in-cabin air filter. And then once that's done, we're going to rotate the tires. Thanks for watching.